I'm drifting down the Au Sable River in Michigan, where the boreal forest around me is just beginning its seasonal emissions of large quantities of hydrocarbon gases to the atmosphere. Here, those gases mainly come from monoterpene oils stored in the needle leaves of conifers. They act as toxins to pests and pathogens, and they heat up in the sun to be released as a gas. In other forests, broadleaf trees emit a lot of a similar compound called isoprene to the atmosphere. Isoprene helps leaves deal with heat stress. Ronald Reagan famously blamed forests for polluting by emitting large amounts of these hydrocarbons to the air. That's because near cities, they react with products from fossil fuel burning and end up producing ozone or smog. So, was Reagan right? Are trees bad for us and should we cut them down? Well, trees of course do other things. For example, they actively pump water out of the ground and evaporate it from their leaves. That cools the air around them, which in cities can significantly reduce the heat island effect. Trees also soak up carbon dioxide, reducing the greenhouse effect. And under the right conditions, these hydrocarbon emissions can end up producing clouds and inducing rain. Clouds reflect sunlight and that cools the planet, and rain, of course, is good for plants. But under other conditions, those same hydrocarbon gas emissions can end up inhibiting cloud formation, which could exacerbate a drought. So wait, am I saying that these hydrocarbon gas emissions from plant leaves are a good thing or a bad thing? Well, the reality is things are things and processes are processes. And maybe if we can displace some of our emotional arguments and embrace scientific understanding of the world's complexities, we can argue less and take a more useful, holistic approach to managing our planet.